In this video, I am going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. Customizing your lock screen adds a personal touch and creates a more visually pleasing experience every time you log into your computer. So let's get started. To begin, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. From the menu that appears, select Personalize. This will open the main personalization settings window. Now scroll down and look for the option labeled Lock Screen. Once you find it, click on it. Under the section called Personalize Your Lock Screen, you will see a drop-down menu. By default, Windows Spotlight may be selected. This shows rotating images chosen by Windows. To use your own wallpaper, change the drop-down option to Picture. You can then choose one of the default stock wallpapers shown below. If you want to use your own image, click the Browse button and locate a picture saved on your computer. Select the image you want to use and it will appear on the lock screen. If you prefer a constantly changing slideshow, select Slideshow from the same drop-down. Then click the Browse button again and choose a folder that contains all the images you would like to rotate. Windows will automatically cycle through them on your lock screen. Once you are done, you can simply close the window. The changes are saved automatically and your updated lock screen will appear next time you log in or lock your device. And that is how to change the lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 guides. Thanks for watching.